Welcome learners, I am Priyanka from Aisect Learn, known for better education and better careers. And I am a data science instructor having over 4 years of experience in data science. So let me give you the course overview of this R course. Okay, so in the first module, we will cover Introduction to R Programming, where we will understand how to get started with R, installation and setup of R in your machines. In the second module, we will cover the basics of R programming, understanding the data types, control structures with practical hands-on exercises in Jupyter Notebook. Now, moving forward to the third module, it is all about data types and data structures in R, where we will work with various data structures like lists, matrix, vectors, arrays and so on. Taking our learning to the next level, we'll work with the fourth module, and this is known as file handling in R. And it is really interesting as we'll be working with data, how to use Excel, JSON and CSV files in R. Okay, now coming to the next module, which is module 5, where we will deal with data manipulation in R using dplyr. Now dplyr is data manipulation library in R, and in this module we will go through various functions of dplyr and how to use them on practically in our data set, right? Moving on further to module 6, it is on data visualization in R. We will work on data set and visualize the data. Introduction to ggplot2 library in R, and how do you use this data visualization in R. Now moving on further with module 7, it deals with capstone project in R, where we will work with real life penguins data set in R. In this module, we will apply most of our key learnings. In module 8, we will take your learning to the next level by introducing you to machine learning concepts. This will be the base for your advanced level in R. And in module 9, we will make you more familiar with various machine learning algorithms. Okay, and in module 10, we will be building machine learning models. We will use linear regression, random forest and decision trees. And we will also make predictions and evaluate the model. We will use these concepts and compare various models and understand which one is best, which one is better and why is it so. Okay, so you will be answering these key questions while building the ML model. Now with this module, you will also learn how to build ML models in R, and after this module, we shall be done with the course, and you can then take on various projects and start working on them. There are various free sources available to get and download the projects or even the data sets like Kaggle, or even it is freely available to download from R itself. So I am looking forward to see you in this course. Till then, thank you and happy learning.